Guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a TikTok account in this simple step. So go ahead and open your TikTok application and wait for it to load up. It's going to load and start playing music. You go over to your profile area. That would not take time to open. You click on the menu icon. Click on this menu icon right here. Go to your settings. And next you click on account. Now you are going to see where it says download your data. You can go ahead and download your data if you need them, but if you do not want them, just click on deactivate and delete. So when you click on this is going to load up like so. Wait for it. Now it's going to bring you to this area. There are two options right here. You can deactivate your account and you notice it says no one can see your account including your contents which are stored. Now if you actually go ahead and do the delete permanently, your account is going to be deleted permanently, and you may cancel the deletion within 30 days, but after that you are going to lose your account. You can go ahead and read the information right on your screen that actually says if you want to delete your account permanently, temporarily, simply deactivate it. So you can do whichever one you want, but if you want to delete it permanently, go ahead and click on delete account permanently. And if you do this, you can always revert this back in 30 days. So you can actually say I'm leaving temporarily. Another reason. All right, you can go ahead and leave your any reason that you want, and then you go ahead and confirm that you are deleting this. So once you have done this, go ahead and click on this check icon and then you do continue. So after that, it is going to show you this area. It says you are going to delete this account. Go ahead and continue if you want that. All right, so this has been deleted. You notice it says verify your account to continue login. So this has been deleted. So and it's still saying that you are signed in and you can actually confirm your account belongs to so hope this is helpful. And if you want to continue, you can click on continue with Google right here to continue that. All right, so I just continued and I selected the Google account that is matching it. I apologize for not showing you guys that part because I just want to hide the email. So you click on delete account and then you confirm delete. So this is going to permanently delete your TikTok account, and you notice it says your account has been deleted over there. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.